Oh, it's got tequila in it, doesn't it?
No.
Come on. I did a bourbon drink. You have to do a tequila drink.
I'm going to be there.
I was very mature with my bourbon drink.
Watch that video later and tell me what you were.
Super mature.
Oh, yes, yes. This is a Mexican hot chocolate.
Ooh.
But it's not hot. Nice.
You know, I just put 2 and 2 together. It's a tequila drink. Tequila comes from Mexico. So it's Mexican ingredient. Sometimes I gotta slow down.
You know what I realized? You don't have gray hairs. You don't. You have blonde hairs. I didn't realize this. They're blonde. It's okay. I still love you.
You're gonna make all the blonde people upset.
And the gray haired ladies.
Yeah, you are.
Can't say that. 1 ounce of tequila.
Take in the essence of tequila, David. Take it in. You know you wanna. You can do it. I believe in you. Nice deep breath. Might as well just pour the rest in there. Just, yeah, there you go. Yep. You gotta breathe sometime.
Nailed it.
You didn't nail that.
I didn't smell it. I still don't smell it.
Hey, pick up that glass.
Oh, I'm not gonna do that right now. All right, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of chocolate liqueur.
Oh, I'm excited.
You can use Bailey's, you can use Godiva, you can use Mozart, whatever you got, but we're using this.
I'm so excited. Liquor 43 is probably one of my favorite discoveries this year. And the fact that they have it in chocolate. It's all running down the side of the glass.
Calm down.
So good. Oh, this is gonna be the best drink of all. Just
1/2 ounce
it just makes me feel so good.
of tequila cream.
It makes me feel so good that you thought of me.
1 ounce of creme de cacao. Cacao! Look at this. Tequila and tequila cream.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Can I keep shaking it?
No, pour the damn drink.
Mexican hot chocolate.
Maybe we shouldn't call it hot chocolate. Maybe we should call it Mexican chocolate. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
That tequila's coming through.
Yeah.
Like it's really coming through.
Yeah.
And the chocolate mixed with it. Oh my God, it's good.
Yeah, it's great.
It's nice and creamy. Oh my goodness. The tequila cream just pulls it all together. Babe,
Yeah.
why is your face red?
It's so good, babe. I just, I think I should not have any more because I feel like I'm going to throw up.
You don't want that to come back up.
I know. It's not for me.
It's 100% for me.
The chocolate flavor is good, but there's too much tequila.
I don't think you can use those words in a sentence.
You can.